Court that as far as roads which were opened, they would be made operational and people will be allowed to drive on those roads by that particular deadline. The question is whether by that time the entire work had to be completed. So we showed to the court that this is what the position is. Now today the court has told us now as far as the stretch from Kakulos junction up to the bridge at STP, that stretch, what is the deadline which is for completion of the entire stretch of the work, as also the court wants to know the term and the tenure of all the contracts and what is the deadline given to all the contractors insofar as all smart city work is concerned. So tomorrow it is restricted to the work from Kakula Circle or Kakula Junction up to the bridge, that is up to STP. We are supposed to give the deadline and the bar chart as far as this stretch is concerned, which we will give it to the court tomorrow. We have given the photographs and we have told the court saying that as far as potholes are concerned, we are continuously trying to fill it, and once the monsoon is over and the rains are over, we will be finally tarring this road. The work that has happened is not a final tarring of the road actually. It is only a temporary filling up that is done till the monsoon is over.